up, y'all? It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all. So today I'm going to be making a pernil. So this is pretty much a cooking vlog. Sorry I have been MIA. I've been vlogging a little bit here and there, but haven't been finishing my vlogs because there's just been a lot going on. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna hold you, but I'm back. I ain't going nowhere, so I might miss a day or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, but I'm back. It's early in the morning. It's not early. It's like 7:30. It's on a Sunday. So today I'm gonna be cooking. I figured I'd pick up my actual camera and start vlogging again. Sidebar, make sure you guys get your banners, a14glam.com. I'll leave it on the screen. This is the red one. Okay guys, so over here I'm going to show you guys what I have to marinate my pork. If I said it wrong in the beginning, excuse me. I know it's roast pork, basically pork shoulder, but I'm using onion powder. I'm using a Goya culantro, some adobo, sofrito, and basically guys, you'll see the seasons here. Sorry if you hear snoring in the background. That is my child, and I have to record when they are asleep. So you guys get the picture. You see the sofrito is just the frosting, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so you guys can see I'm using a culantro to marinate the pork shoulder. I'm just going to rub it. Yes, I wash my hands. Everything is clean. I'm going to just go ahead and marinate it really well on both sides. As you guys can see, you take it and you flip it. No matter what seasoning you're using, make sure you marinate and season, marinate and season both sides. So here I am with the sofrito. I'm going to just go ahead and add that right on top as well. When I tell you guys, this stuff smells amazing. It smells amazing. And it tastes even better once it's all cooked and marinated well. So let's go ahead, and you guys can see everything that I'm using. I'm just going to go ahead and finish showing you guys what I use to marinate. Make sure you guys rub it in and massage the meat very well because it'll be nice and marinated all over. Okay, y'all, I'm going to stop talking. You guys, don't be alarmed if you guys don't hear any music or any audio. I stopped it because YouTube be playing around with these copyright claims for people's music. So I'm just going to go ahead. Don't be alarmed if you don't hear no music or no audio. Just keep watching. I'm going to finish showing you guys how I marinate my pork shoulder. All right, y'all, as you guys can see, it's all seasoned, marinated front and back, as well as the skin. All right, my camera died, so excuse the next clips like. All right, y'all, it's done. Everything is marinated. I'm gonna cover it up, put it in the oven for 3 hours, then uncover it for maybe like 30 to 45 minutes. And that's it. I'll be back once it's done. It smells amazing. I just threw some extra garlic under here so it could all just, the flavors could just go right into the meat. This is the skin, so when you do get the pork shoulder, you make sure you take a knife and you cut the skin, the skin back. And it smells amazing. Okay, y'all, so the food is in the oven. I actually made a chicken for the kids. I always just make like a chicken or something just in case they don't want that. She's teething, y'all, so she's drooling. She actually has a tooth. Royal. She's looking at us in the mirror. She's so cute. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube family. Say hi. She's sleepy, y'all. Say hi. Mwah. Mwah. So yeah, y'all. The food's in. It smells so good. I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna go make me some coffee because I'm getting sleepy and I have too much to do. So I'm gonna go make me some coffee. Fix that because they broke that little shower rack thingy, and then I am going to put her to sleep, and I'll be back. Right? Yeah, mama. You see yourself. Hi. Yeah, eat the phone. All right, y'all. So I made me some coffee. I used the Dunkin' Donuts coffee original mixed with some caramel creamer with a little bit of caramel, Smucker's caramel syrup, and that was so sleepy. Hi. Give that to Haziam. So I'm gonna get some stuff done. You guys can see here I have my Bible and my notes and stuff like that. So write some things down and get some things organized for the week. Also for 814glam.com. And yeah, that's really it. It'll probably be a chill day today that I'm actually gonna make myself not do nothing. Well, try to. Cause I got 5 kids, so I don't know how I'm gonna not do anything, but I am gonna clean up. I'm lying, but I'm gonna take a break. So. Oh. Royal's right here. Hi, Royal. Hi, Royal. She gets feisty, y'all, now. Like, she's like a little feisty. She kind of, I don't know if I'll be able to get on camera, but she gets a little feisty and she goes, right? Hey, that might be good. Hello. Is that milk on your face? Hi. Hi, princess.